I've been representing victims of car accidents and their families for over 20 years. Whether you end up hiring an attorney or not, it's important to talk to an attorney before you talk to the at-fault party's insurance company, or probably even your own insurance company. Often these initial statements that you give to an insurance company are recorded, and they're looking for loopholes. They're looking to put some blame on you for causing or contributing to the accident. And it's just important to talk to an attorney, go over the facts with them, and talk about how you should present your case to the insurance company. In a car accident case, the liable party is the party that's at fault. Generally, if the police came out, it's the party that got ticketed. They're responsible ultimately for your injuries and damages. Sometimes they have insurance, sometimes they don't have insurance. If they don't have insurance, there are still other avenues where you can collect. We just need to talk about what your options are. The injuries that we see in car accidents can vary anywhere from broken bones to head injuries or brain injuries, most often neck and back injuries. Sometimes they're simple injuries that might require physical therapy or chiropractic treatment. Other injuries require surgery. The injuries you sustained can affect family both emotionally and financially. Often it's difficult to find work or to continue at your job if you've got restrictions by a doctor, and that causes a loss of income. We can talk to you about ways to replace that income and sources that are available to help pay your medical bills. If the other party doesn't have car insurance, there are still alternatives that might allow you to recover. Sometimes, if the case is appropriate, we can help you present a claim for restitution. We can help you with victims' compensation funds, which exist in most counties. We can also present a claim for what's called uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. That coverage is something that hopefully you have purchased on your automobile insurance policy. When you make an uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage claim, there's a difference between making that claim with your insurance company and a property damage claim, because in a property damage claim or a medical claim, they have to pay what they have to pay. The bills are what they are, the costs are what they are. When you're making an uninsured motorist claim, your own insurance company is allowed to minimize the case, and they're allowed to say that your case is not worth as much because maybe you didn't get enough treatment, or because you had gaps in treatment, or because the accident was partially your fault. Your own insurance company steps in the shoes, so to speak, of the at-fault party, and they can use any arguments that the at-fault party could to minimize your case. If you have a potential uninsured motorist case, you really should consult with an attorney. Consultations are free. We can tell you how to deal with your own insurance company, or we can represent you if the case is right in making an uninsured motorist claim.